Hey gang, Jerry here, and today we're going to do another build series video on our 35 hot rod truck from Factory 5. And today we're going to be talking about automatic transmission coolers. Now, I know that Factory 5 doesn't offer anything as far as a transmission cooler goes. I mean, there's not even one in the radiator if you're running an automatic transmission. So they kind of leave it up to you to do whatever type of system that you want to do. What I chose to do, I'm of course again running a Ford small block 302 with an automatic 4R70W transmission. And my setup that I chose to do is I chose to mount my transmission cooler back here underneath the truck bed. And this is the transmission cooler. This is a D-Rail Performance transmission cooler. And you can see I had, there was a lot of real estate right here, so I thought this would be a good position to mount the cooler. It does have its own electric fan. I had to fabricate these brackets right here, and I just mounted the cooler assembly actually came with this bracket. So I just put some rib nuts in the frame here and underneath here, made this bracket and mounted it, and it is secure. It's very secure. And then for powering on the cooler, there's a thermal switch right here. Once the switch hits 180 degrees, it'll close and complete the circuit to turn the fan on. 165, it'll turn back off. Now currently right now, I just have it ran directly to the battery. So I have hot and ground all the time. So whenever it's above 180, it's gonna be running. Once it goes below 165, it's gonna turn off. It does come ready for 6AN fittings, so that was really nice because I did run 6AN lines all the way from the transmission to the cooler. And I actually just purchased this off of Amazon. It had at the time I purchased, over 400 reviews, and it was still almost 5 stars. I think it was 4.8 stars. So had really good reviews, so I like it. It looks well. It looks well made. I haven't done a lot of testing with it yet because I still really haven't, really driven the vehicle. But I do like the place that I chose to mount the fan, and I think it's going to work well for me. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know you can come up with a ton of different ideas on how to do things. This is just what I chose to do, so I hope it helps. If you have any questions about it, leave some comments down below. I'll leave a link in the description of this particular one that I picked up from Amazon. And yeah, I like it so far. I'm really excited to see how it's going to work for me. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, we're going to be doing build videos like this all throughout the build. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get the notifications when a new video comes out. And remember, gang, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.